All right, guys, we have Lee Greenwood today. God bless the USA. Let's take a listen. If tomorrow all the things were gone, worked for all my life, and I had to start again, just my children and my wife. Thank my lucky stars to be living here today, as the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Sean Cheek, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. I'm going to do a whole bunch for this part 1, and yes, as the title says, you can get a free sheet from me for this, the sheet for the whole thing that I did. All you have to do on Facebook is share the post, the part 1 post that I do, and if you share that, then I will send you, just Facebook message me after you share it, and then I will send you this sheet through Facebook. But it'll be all on Facebook, and it's a Facebook exclusive, and it's just for a couple of days. So everyone who shares this, just share it on your Facebook, and then send me a message that you did that, and I'll check it out, and then I'll send you the sheet for it, and all the way through. So let's get to our part 1 here, which will be extensive today. And as always, all the lessons for this are on my website, webpianoteacher.com, and I have thousands and thousands of other lessons on there for all skill levels, all types of music. I even have complete beginner lessons if you've never done anything in music or piano and need to just start out at square one. So here we go. We are in the key of F. This is not a beginner lesson, so if you are a beginner, I wouldn't try this too much unless you're just really diligent and can still get it anyway. But left hand F, C, F, C. We're below middle C. We're doing octave and a fifth, and this is kind of a pattern that you can do throughout. The piano isn't real prevalent, so I kind of have to, make up some things, take from the piano part, the violin, the strings, and other things, and kind of mesh those together to make a good piano solo arrangement you can sing with. So F, C, F, C in the left hand, 5, 2, 1, 2. The right hand we have F, A, C with 1, 2, 3, and then F, and then A, C, F together. Bum, bum, bum. So the left hand's kind of a steady eighth note thing, 1 and 2, and the right hand will be faster. So it's 1 and a 2, and put my thumb on the F, and then 2, 3, 5 on A, C, F. 1 and a 2, and, right? And then the next measure. So the left hand now will do F, C, E, C. The right hand will do E, C, G. And I'll use 1, 2, 5, and you don't have to reach that. You can just like that. And then G, C, E, G with 1, 2, 4, 5. So it's 1. Okay, so the first measure. Next one. Da, 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 da. Next one. So we have F, B flat, D, B flat in the left. The right hand has B flat, F, and then B flat, D, F all together. And then F, B flat, C, so it's 1 and a 2 and a... And I did this, I think, when I was doing it before, just to add something in the space there. You can just do F, C, B flat, F, and roll it down if you want to do what I did. Now that is the violin. Da, 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 da. So I kind of combined the violin and the piano part. We have A, B flat, F, A, C, bum, 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 and then that's the piano part, thumb on the F, and then A, C, F with 2, 3, 5, then F, then a D in the right hand, so then that next measure, E, G, C, I use 1, 2, 4, and move up to G with your thumb, and then C, E, G with 2, 4, 5, and then B flat, A, Now, in these two measures, the left hand is just doing this sort of thing, like we did over here, all right? Because there's really not, I don't really hear a prevalent piano part there, but that kind of suffices, I think. So if we go, okay, so. Right, so the next measure is B flat F, left hand on F D F now. And then B flat F octave. Those little notes up there are for later, so don't do them yet. And then down low, B flat C, and then we'll go C D, we'll flip that. Left hand will be F D F. Okay, so again at the beginning, 1. I forgot to go lower, let's do it again. And 1. 1. Then. Now the FDF there, I'm rolling an arpeggiated chord, so that's why I have the up arrow. Again, the little notes up there we'll do later, so not yet. Now that's the introduction, then we start the singing. If tomorrow all the things were gone. All right, so that's the whole intro. Let's play the intro one more time just to make sure we have it. Go 1. If tomorrow. Now I kind of do 2 measures in 1 there. Da, da, da. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, right? So ACF on the right, left hand FCF. If 2, 1 and 2 and. So I'm just vamping. That's my sign for vamping, is just a little squiggly line. You just keep marking time until it's time to play the next thing. If 2, 1 and 2 and. Then we do a 5th finger on a C, and then what I call a country third, G and C together with 2 and 5. Flip to A. So it's 1 and 2 and C, F, C for the end. So if tomorrow, okay. So the left hand's going to continue this pattern. If you want, that's what I'm doing. I can't really hear a piano part, like I said, on the left hand. B flat D F on the right. I use 1, 2, 3 so that I can play the B flat with my 5th finger. And then B flat C F, F, B flat F, so 1. And those little dashes just mean those notes are held a little bit longer, or they're all the same rhythmic value. So 1 and 2 and 8 notes. This goes a little faster, or the note values are faster. So these 2 measures are G minor. G, D, G in the left. The right hand does B flat again, and then B flat, D, F. So 1. And da, 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 da. So if we start back here. If tomorrow work for all my life. So da, da. See how those are faster with the curved line? And to start again, just my G, D, G, D, right hand B flat, B flat, D, F, A at the end. And then this next measure is E flat, family and my wife. Now E flat chord is not a chord you normally find in the key of F, but sometimes it'll show up. So E flat, B flat, E flat. There's our pattern. The right hand G, and then B flat, and then G, B flat, E flat, and B flat. So da, 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 da. Then we go to a C chord, C, G, C in the left. Right hand pretty low, E, G, G, C, E, C. Okay, so the first part of this verse, if tomorrow all the things, sorry, if tomorrow all the things are gone, work for all my life. Just my family and my lucky stars is the next part. Okay, so we start with an F chord again like we did here. So the left hand again is doing this pattern, F, C, F. Right hand we start with a country third, G and C with 2 and 5. Flip to A. Count 2 is G, C, F. So 1, 2, 1. F, C, F some more. Right hand plays a C and then G, C with 2 and 5. Flip to A and then F. And then da, 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 da. Okay. A, E, G, E. The right hand has just G and C, E. And then here it's still an A minor chord. A, E, G will be the left hand pattern. Right hand does C, D, E, F. So right here it's na, 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 na. So flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. So G minor, G, D, G. Right hand B flat D 2 times, 3 times actually on the next measure. Doing 3 and 5 on it. G, A, B flat and D, da, 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 A, G. So 1 and 2 and 1. Right, if you are a beginner and you're having trouble doing the left hand pattern, just play the blocked chord. So da, da, da. So that sounds okay to start with, and then you can try to do what I'm doing, rolling it up and down later. All right, so here we have F on the right, D, D on the left, D, A, D on the left hand, A, F, D, A, 1 and 2, and E, A, F, A. Okay, and then, and I'm proud to be. Then we get to the chorus. Again, get the free sheet for this from me, absolutely free, through Facebook, just by sharing this on your page, and then message me on Facebook, and I'll send you the sheet for it. That's all they got to do is share this post. So F, B flat, C, D on the right, F, B flat, C, F. Last measure B flat, C, F, F, B flat, C, F. Left hand on a B flat. Okay. And the sheet is the whole sheet. We have part of it here during this lesson, but I'll send you the whole completed sheet that I have. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. Now, let's put it together. Let's start right there. Second half of the verse. Of it for this extended part 1. So we'll start with the introduction. Here we go. 1. If tomorrow all the days work for all my life. G minor. Double bar, thank my lucky stars to be living here today. Flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. And I'm proud. So that next line will be the chorus, which is really fun. And there's a lot more to do because the verse the next time is different. I'll show you all those little nuances that happen. Hope you guys enjoyed that part 1 lesson, and I'll see you on webpianoteacher.com. Talk to you later.